At Oak Street Manufacturing, we're proud to be a leading manufacturer and distributor of restaurant furnishings across the United States and Canada. Founded in 1995 and 100% employee-owned, Oak Street Manufacturing proudly operates out of Monticello, Iowa, with about 50 team members across our corporate, sales, warehouse, and production departments. Our facilities include a 70,000 square foot manufacturing plant, a 50,000 square foot warehouse and distribution center, and 4,000 square feet of corporate and sales offices, plus an additional distribution facility in Statesville, North Carolina. We import around 350 containers per year and carry over $7 million in inventory, ensuring quick turnaround times and steady product availability. To make things even easier, we partner with 8 rep groups across the U.S. for local support and representation, from California to Maine and everywhere in between. We also have a sister company, Pinnacle Decorative Laminates, offering cost-effective and quick-turn laminate products, including tabletops, booths, benches, and casework. Every dealer we work with has a dedicated account manager, a real person you can call or email directly. And when you call our main line, you'll always reach someone in our Monticello office. No automated attendance, ever. When it comes to manufactured product lead times, we take pride in being one of the fastest in the industry. Our standard lead time for manufactured products is typically 4 to 5 weeks, often competing with or outperforming the industry's best. Thanks to our in-house production capabilities, smart workflow automation, and constant investment in new technology, we're able to move projects from order to shipment quickly and efficiently without sacrificing quality. We're constantly investing in new machines and robotics to streamline production, standardize processes, and maintain consistency across every order. That means fewer warranty claims, smoother operations, and happier customers. Our in-house capabilities include a large finishing room, powder coating, laser cutting, metal fabrication, upholstery, sewing, and woodworking, all under one roof. And when it comes to customization, the possibilities are endless, from custom-sized tabletops, community bases, and booths to cabinetry, stain matching, and specialty vinyl or upholstery. At Oak Street Manufacturing, we combine craftsmanship, technology, and personal service to deliver restaurant furniture that performs beautifully and looks even better. From dining chairs and bar stools to booths, benches, and banquettes, we help bring restaurants, bars, and cafes to life. Need tables? We've got you covered, whether you need them fast or fully customized. Our quick ship options make it easy to get the essentials right away, while our made-to-order options lets you create the perfect fit for your space. Choose from laminate, wood veneer, or solid wood tops, with your choice of edge profiles, PVC, rubber T-mold, or wood. And when it comes to table bases, we've made things smarter. Our 2-piece stamped steel table bases are designed for faster, easier assembly right out of the box. Because they're stamped steel instead of cast iron, they're not only lighter and easier to handle, but also stronger and more consistent in quality. Stamped steel resists cracking and breakage over time, ensuring a more durable, stable base for your tables. That covers Oak Street 101. Next, you'll dive into each of our product lines individually to learn how our products are the superior restaurant furniture option and why there's never a bad seat with Oak Street. Thank you for watching. To learn more about Oak Street's quality products, resources, and capabilities, go to oakstreetmfg.com and follow us on our socials: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn at Oak Street MFG. See you next time.